Your child is bright, intelligent, they can learn, and they have done it in the past. They have been good in the primary, year 6, year 7, and suddenly you are noticing some differences. They are sitting down and wasting a lot of time, and seems like they are losing motivation. You are wondering what is going wrong and thinking about how to motivate them. In this video, I'm going to explain the theory behind motivation. Motivation is a product of two factors: value and expectancy. Value is it worth my time? Expectancy, do I have any chance of succeeding in it? If both factors are high, motivation happens. If one of these factors are low, motivation can drop down. It is important we identify the factors affecting motivation to help children succeed. It's like low value. Why should I care? Even bright students lose engagement when they perceive there is no point in pursuing certain things, or probably it is not in line with what they need to do, or there are different types of values. Sometimes children might like singing, dancing, swimming, or playing, and that gives them an intrinsic value, intrinsic interest in the thing, whatever they are doing, that gives them some dopamine that makes them happy. This is called intrinsic value. There is another kind of value like utility value. If you do certain things, you are able to do this, like driving. Learning to drive is difficult, but people go for it because they get the freedom to move from one place to another without depending anyone, and they put efforts towards that. Or there could be something like attainment value, like if you get top set, number one in the class, or number one in the group, leader of the gang, that makes you feel kind of status. That could also make people motivated. So any one of these value propositions are fulfilled, that gives the motivation. The other part is expectancy. How easy or difficult it is for me to get there, and what are my chances of getting it or succeeding in there. If the barrier to success is less, everyone will go for it. If the perceived difficulty is too much, people will doubt whether I should go for it or not. There are different negative factors affecting motivation, like cost, cognitive load. If it is too hard, children might think, no, I'm not going for it. Or emotional cost, fear of failure. If they have the fear, like, what if I fail? And they may decide not to go for it. And the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is like, if I have to, what do I have to sacrifice to get there? Do I have to lose my playtime, free time? And most of the time, teachers and parents will be looking at the value position. Not everyone will be looking at the cost side of it. What is the cognitive load? What is the emotional load? And this is what we try to do. Try to reduce the cognitive load and emotional load so that they are confident, they get some confidence to go for the hard work. So, what can we do about this? We can create a suitable environment where the value and expectancy are managed. You can make the value feel very high and expectancy low so that children are felt confident to go for it. Like, perceived value by gamification and giving the levels, like level 1, level 2, like that. And that gives them a satisfaction for attainment. Attainment value is fulfilled. And with this utility, if you achieve certain levels, you get this, and that gives them a utility value. So, what can you do about this? Enjoy the learning. What we learned is we can control the environment to make the value high and expectancy achievable so that children get motivated. For example, we run the learning challenge every month. And what do they have to do? Simple 5 nuggets using our website for learning called Century Tech. And if they do it regularly, they get 75 golden nuggets. We reward them £5 every month. It's so easy to get. We have purposefully reduced the threshold to get the reward. And the work to be done is just 10-15 minutes. This gets them the experience of success every month. It reinforces them. So, my point is, we can control the environment to motivate children. You can create this positive environment in your own home by carefully adjusting the environment to be supportive and friendly for your children. But if you are struggling for time, or if you have any doubts how to implement it in your home, please feel free to book a call with me. My calendar link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.